Hello everybody, this is Caleb and this is to present the shorter version of the Nextcloud server installation on local machine. Thank you very much and hope and I'm say goodbye, hoping it is helpful for you. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. We are going to install Nextcloud. Here is the setup wizard. It's going to check for the server dependencies and download Nextcloud, install Nextcloud. You download this setup Nextcloud PHP from the website. Links in the description. This is a community project. With Nextcloud, you get several applications. It is open source. Then you have the GitHub repository. And you can, if you're interested in how to set up your environment, I can upload videos on that regard. At this point, I do have everything in place. The database, the web server configured as is required with the permissions required. So I'm not sure if this is going to take forever. Let's try it. Let's click next. Nextcloud. All Nextcloud dependencies were found. Good. You have to install these dependencies when you are installing PHP or later. But it has to be there. They have to be there. Now we are using Nextcloud, the folder. Okay. Let's take a look at what's happening again. This is the file we are downloading, nc.zip. Here it is from this URL. But again, progress bar, it will be a better idea to look. The nc.zip was deleted by the script. Setup Nextcloud wasn't deleted, as I told you before, because this is like a new distribution. They updated this file, and I also put this this new function and this script. Hopefully, they will accept the pull request because it helps a little bit. So Nextcloud is now installed. This word for Spanish speakers: install the software. And wait, this is another topic that I will talk later. But install is basically they put something in some place. But in the past, okay, let us focus. Nextcloud, the folder is there. Nextcloud is not installed. We click next, and we get redirected to the index for the Nextcloud. Now we are in the realm of this folder. In here, index PHP, and they took it from here. They take it from here, and it is a good project. This is a project that is a good example of good software engineering practices. They are improving all the time. I took a look at some files, and they do it in a good way. So let's continue. My admin user will be my name. my password. You can use SQLite, but again, I did install Maria DB. Maria DB. Okay, so we click here and select Maria DB, and you have to have a folder called data. You can call it whatever you want, but it has to have the permissions required when you do manually. At this point, this have been taken care for you. Okay, MySQL MariaDB database account admin. When you install MariaDB, you get this. Hopefully, I tried. Kind of nervous writing this password. The database name is Nextcloud. They do tell you how to create the database. They do have a great documentation. They aren't paying me any money, so I'm not. This video is not. You know, but I always praise the good. When I see something good, I say, okay, this is. I like this, and they deserve. You know, like to be recognized. Localhost and installing. You see, this is the same user experience that I tried to portray in the first part. But they do have this. We can still make improvements. I didn't see this, and I didn't see the source code for this. I spent a couple of hours, 3 hours, I'm not sure, because I wanted to understand the flow of that file. So it is installing. Recommended apps, Nextcloud, a safe home for all your data. And here, since it's taking care of some database transactions, or maybe the internet already is making its way. Now that I open Atlassian, they do have some good training on agile methodology. On agile methodology. Probably make a video on that. Okay, recommended apps. Calendar, contacts, mail. Oh look, mail. Nextcloud Office, Notes, and Talk. We are going to install Talk, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to test Talk because we are using the camera with OBS. 47 minutes. And still, let us install. I'm not going to install Nextcloud Office, no Notes, only Calendar and Talk. I probably should install this. Probably I should skip it because now we have installed Nextcloud, but now that I am here, okay. It is installing. This is a good thing. More time for us to wait. Hopefully you are having a good dinner. Some good meal. Installing apps. Going to install the calendar. Probably I shouldn't choose calendar because we already spent like several minutes. Talk, chatting, video calls, screen sharing, online meetings. And you can host this on a cloud environment like Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. I'm going to close this, and we receive a good evening. We have installed Nextcloud. The next time you're to going directly to Nextcloud, even without the index, if you configure this thing. But right now, let's see what we have over here. Okay. Calendar activity photo file installed. These are the apps that we installed. We can call it a day. I'm going to click here. See, I think this is a good web application. If you want to learn some good practices, some coding styles, uh, you can take a deep dive on this project. I'm not doing it because I don't know. Let's click on talk. You have no upcoming meetings, no reminders. Start meeting now. So again, I think you can host this on a cloud environment and self-host yourself and have meetings with your friends or your team. I don't know. I'm not sure if this is going to work because of the camera. Well, yeah, you get the permissions and you get the thing. This is the thing. Okay, so this is all I have to say about this Nextcloud.